Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about cities, so let's get started. What is living in the countryside versus living in a city? Living in the countryside, living in the city offer contrasting experiences. Or, in more advanced answer, you could say the lifestyle disparities between residing in the countryside and urban areas are quite pronounced. What are the advantages of living in large cities for elderly people? You could say living in large cities might have advantages for elderly individuals, or there are potential benefits for senior citizens when it comes to residing in bustling urban centres. What's the feasibility of entire population moving to cities? It is unlikely the entire population would relocate to cities, or the prospect of the entire population shifting to urban areas seems improbable. What's the friendliness like in the countryside versus in cities? People in the countryside often have a reputation for being friendlier than those in cities. Or there exists a common perception that individuals residing in rural areas tend to display more friendliness compared to their urban counterparts. Okay, so that's all of the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Follow along, it's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. This passage will explore the differences between urban and rural living, the factors influencing these choices, and the benefits and challenges associated with each. The decision to live in an urban city or a tranquil countryside is a choice that holds significant implications for one's lifestyle, preferences, and well-being. Urban environments, characterized by bustling cities, offer a dynamic and fast-paced lifestyle. The allure of modern amenities, employment opportunities, entertainment options, and cultural experiences often draws individuals to these centers of activity. However, the vibrant city life comes with a set of challenges, including congestion, noise pollution, and higher living costs. On the other hand, rural areas offer a quieter and more relaxed way of life. Close proximity to nature, cleaner air, and a stronger sense of community are among the draws of rural living. Individuals who choose to live in the countryside often value the escape from the urban chaos and appreciate the slower pace that allows them to connect with nature and their neighbours. The choice between urban and rural living becomes especially pertinent for the elderly. While cities offer better access to healthcare facilities and social activities, they can also be more physically demanding and stressful. Elderly individuals may find rural areas more conducive to a peaceful retirement, but potential challenges include limited healthcare services and reduced opportunities for cultural engagement. While urbanization trends are on the rise, various factors such as available infrastructure, job opportunities, and individual preferences play a crucial role in determining the balance between urban and rural populations. The question of whether the entire population should shift to cities is a complex one. The notion that people in the countryside are friendlier than urban counties has gained traction. This perception is rooted in the slower pace of rural life, which often allows for more genuine interactions and community engagement. However, it's essential to recognize that both urban and rural areas encompass a diverse range of personalities and behaviors. Understanding these differences can guide individuals in making informed decisions about where to live based on their values and priorities. Choosing between urban and rural living involves a consideration of various factors, including lifestyle preferences, opportunities, and individual needs. Each setting offers a distinct set of advantages and challenges, shaping the experience and well-being of those places at home. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Take a look. Urban living, rural tranquility, population dynamics, societal perceptions, conclusions, transition and linking expressions, comparative adjectives, opinion phrases, employment opportunities, employment options, bustling cities, modern amenities, cultural experience, proximity to nature, cleaner air, sense of community, slower pace, collective nature. Urbanisation trends, job prospects, infrastructure, balancing the population. Diverse personalities, friendliness perceptions, genuine interactions, community engagement. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Take a look. We have paraphrasing questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 paraphrasing statements and 4 paraphrasing descriptions. So have a go at putting those into your own words. Until then, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.